Sir, you ask everybody to raise their hands and you ask them individually, sir, because just now you asked me what somebody else told me.
Okay, first one is for Raghav. What is the answer for first one, Raghav?
Sir, embryo.
Embryo. The zygote develops into the embryo. Okay, from the embryo, it will grow into the different stage like fruit. Again, inside the fruit, whatever the seeds are there, those are the ovules present in the flower. Okay, so it's a complete process again. But to formation of embryo, what is the important process before that? What is the important process to form the embryo?
Fertilization.
Fertilization.
Sir?
Okay.
Hari sir, I'm sorry for coming late. I had a class. Sorry, sir, from 5 to 6.
So can I next?
Okay, okay. Next one. Rose and lemon are grown from?
So stem cutting.
Sir, it's stem cutting. Sir, you should raise the hand so they should.
Rose and lemons are grown from tubers, bulbs, stem cutting, leaf buds.
Sir, you ask one of us.
So can I tell? So can I?
Yeah.
So the answer is C, stem cutting. We told it already.
Yeah. So what is the answer for second one?
Second one, stem cutting. Sir.
I didn't, so can you hear my voice?
Sir, it's low.
Sir, the answer is stem cutting.
Low.
Okay, good. Because I didn't hear properly today, I don't know what is my issue or your issue.
So that's why I spoke loudly.
Okay. Third one, what is the answer?
Sir, no,
The
sir,
cell which is formed after the fusion of gametes is called
Answer is zygote.
zygote. Good. The cell which is formed after the fusion of gametes is called zygote. For the formation of zygote only, the embryo will start. Then what is the pistil meaning?
it's
Pistil.
What is the meaning of pistil?
It is the female reproductive part.
Very good. It's a female reproductive part, or you can call it as a carpel also. Good. Next, fertilization results in the formation of.
So can I? Sir, can I? You should raise hand. Fertilization.
Fertilization results in the formation of.
Zygote.
Zygote.
Hand, sir.
Fertilization results in the formation of.
No, it's zygote.
Zygote. Fertilization.
Zygote.
After the pollination, fertilization takes place. Fertilization results in the formation of zygote. Zygote into the embryo. Okay, good. Zygote. What is the fifth one?
So first fertilization changes to zygote and zygote changes to embryo. So can I say Shivabhanu?
Yeah, fifth one.
Sir, budding.
Growth of new organisms are inside the parent body is called as budding. Right? When you are cutting the organisms, will grow into the different buds. That is the budding. Grafting.
Ma'am, this is budding.
Next one. Process of fusion of male and female gametes is called as
Sir, fertilization.
fertilization. Very good. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Sir, it's fertilization.
Fertilization only. Good. The next one. In fungus, reproduction taken place by. How the reproduction taken place in fungus?
The spore formation.
Spore forming. Spore formation.
Yeah, but you can give the answers one by one. That is a spore formation is the answer. Okay. The next one. Most common means of pollination is
Air. Honeybee. No, sir,
Right?
water.
Sir, air.
Air, sir, it is air.
Try to get honeybee only, sir.
So it's honeybee,
Boys.
sir. A. Sir, it's A.
Yeah, sir.
Boys, I said already. You can speak one by one. Raghu, what is the answer?
Sir, it is air, but I kept honeybee first, sir, but it is showing as air only.
Try to get honeybee.
Even for me, sir.
Sir, even to Shivapranav.
Sir,
Sir, but sir, choose honeybee, right?
It's not the honeybee.
No,
It's
I
air
think
only.
it's air only because
Air
air is
only.
present everywhere, right?
Because you have the
Yeah.
two types of
Human also no,
pollination.
sir.
Listen. If you have the two types of pollinations are there, self-pollination and the cross-pollination. Self-pollination means within the flower itself, right? So if any small amount of air is also there, the pollination process will take place because they both are the nearby only, the male productive organ and female productive organ, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's the most common one thing is the air itself. What about the question number 9? The seed dispersed by birds and animals are.
Sir, with smell and nectar.
The seeds dispersed by birds and animals are less smell,
With
very
smell and
smelly,
nectar.
with the smell and the nectar. Good.
Small and nectar.
With the smell and the nectar. Nectar, you know, right? That is the sweet juice present inside the flowers.
Yes, sir.
Generally, butterflies and everything will suck the nectar for their food. You know this topic, nectar topic.
Yes, sir.
We didn't discuss in the class nectar. Okay.
Fragmentation.
Sir, this one.
Fragmentation. Is formed by fragmentation.
Sir, algae reproduces through binary fission, right?
Fragmentation.
Fragmentation.
Because algae.
Actually, it happens through binary fission, everything, but fragmentation is most common.
Yeah, but algae will mostly rapidly spread through fragmentation only.
Yeah, that's why we take that as correct answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So what is the answer for 10th?
Sir, it's fragmentation.
Fragmentation.
Good.
Yeah, sir.
What about the 11th?
Asexual reproduction plays through fragmentation. Sir, your voice is closer again. Sir, it's
Spirogyra.
Spirogyra.
No, Spirogyra.
Yeah,
Spirogyra.
that's what. Spirogyra.
Okay.
Die of the potato plant is sir, it's the bud into bryophyllum leaf.
The bud is to bryophyllum leaf.
The eye of the potato is what?
The bud is to bryophyllum leaf.
The bud is bryophyllum leaf.
The eye of a potato plant is what? The root. The root is to any plant. The root is flower. What is the answer for this?
See, the bud is to bryophyllum leaf.
The bud is to bryophyllum leaf.
Bifolium leaf.
Bryophyll.
Yeah.
Okay. That is the answer?
Sir, all of these. Yes, sir. All of, sorry, only pumpkin, right?
No,
All of these.
Sir, I did this mistake. All of this.
Sir, Tara and Loki are another names for the.
That is the answer?
Sir, the answer is all of these.
Sir.
All of this. Good.
Yes, sir. So the 14th question, fertilization is fusion of male and female gametes.
Sir, I think all of this. No, sir, it's not all of this. I kept all of this one. It's wrong.
What is the 14th answer?
Sir, even I got this wrong.
Fertilization.
Fusion of male and
Yes, sir.
female gametes.
Option C.
Fusion of male and female gametes.
Sir, I did not get that, sir. Sir, reproduction, sir, 15th one. Sir, reproduction. What is the function of flower? What is the function of flower in plants? Reproduction.
Yeah. What is the function of the flower?
Sir,
Reproduction.
Reproduction. Good. So this is a complete question paper that we wanted done yesterday. Those who didn't complete the test, you have to inform it before. Okay. So I seen so many people didn't write the test yesterday also. Okay. So don't do this and all. You are repeating always.
Sir, actually, yes. On Sunday, my biceps has stopped working, sir. So I couldn't give the test.
Okay. So that is what the yesterday's question paper we have done. So today we are going to start the
Sir,
revision.
actually, can you tell what you told in the last class, because I was absent, like I left.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Sir, can you recap what you told last class, because I was absent, like I cannot hear your voice, and I left in the middle only, like see 5:30, like that.
Sorry, I can't understand. Maybe some network issue is there today. I don't know. I didn't hear, can't hear properly.
Sir is telling to do a recap of what we did in the last class.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, Mahavir.
Sir is asking to tell do a recap of what you told us in the last class.
Okay, sorry. I don't know today some network issue is there. I am facing a lot of problems. So don't feel anything. Wait a minute.
Sir, if I speak loudly, then you are able to hear me.
Okay. Okay. So last class what we did is the light chapter we have did in the last class. So we already discussed in the previous classes about the light traveling in the straight line, that we know whenever the light is traveling, now it will travel only in the straight line. So whenever any path is coming, now it will deviate again, it will come and travel in the straight line itself. Okay. So reflection of light also we discussed in the last class. And so whenever you see the image is formed by this reflection, okay, so it is a real image and the virtual image. What is the meaning of real image? If the image formed by the
Sir, it can be obtained on a screen, actually, real image, which means, for example, is a torchlight, and I am in the middle, and behind there's a wall we can take. And if I switch off all the lights and turn on the torchlights towards me, I can see a black patch on the wall back there. That is nothing but the shadow, and the wall where the shadow is coming, that is called the screen. So, and that's one of the characteristic of a real image.
Good. Say, if you take the images after the reflection, it will have two types. One is a real image, the other one is a virtual image. With the real itself, you can understand. Real means it is a true image. Virtual means it will not form truly. Understand the difference between these two? So real image means whatever the image is forming, that will appear on the screen after the reflection of the light. Okay, that is a real image. So whatever the image you are seeing on the TVs, screens, all these are the real image. Cinema screens also are the real image, because you can observe the image on the screen itself. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. If it is reflected, we are called virtual image.
So if the image is not forming on the screen, that is called as a virtual image. Okay. Now, if you take the image, we can see on the plane of mirror. When you are seeing in the mirror, we can see our image in the mirror, right? But the image formation will be, looks like it is forming behind the mirror, but it is not the real one. It is a virtual one. Understanding?
Yes.
So after the reflection of the light falls on our body, it is falling onto the mirror. So reflection is happening, but it is not the real. That is a virtual image. So whichever image cannot form it on the screen is called as a virtual image. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next one is the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. Suppose if you place the object in front of the mirror, it will form some type of image on the mirror, right? It will form some type of image on the mirror, right? So what are the characteristics of the image we are going to discuss in this? So total we have the 4 points are there. Okay, and whatever the points we are discussing here is only the plane mirror only. We know mirrors are two types. One is a plane mirror, the second one is a curved mirror. Plane mirror means there is no angle at all. Completely it is a plane surface. The mirror is. Curved mirror means what? There will be some curves. Either it can be concave or the convex. Clear this one?
Yes, sir.
So whatever the image forming by an object in the plane mirror. So we'll study these 4 characteristics about that mirror. What's the first one? Whatever the whatever the image formation, the image former looks like a behind the mirror only. So it is completely a virtual image only. Okay, understanding? That is the first point. Whatever the image former is, it is a virtual image only. It is not the real image former.
Wherein real image will be formed in front of the mirror.
Real image will form in front of the mirror on the screen. If you keep some screen,
Yeah,
it will
yes,
form
sir.
on the screen. Okay. Next one. Suppose if you keep the image, okay, whatever the image formed on the plane mirror, it looks like have the same size, right? The same size of the object. Suppose you have placed it as a circular object.
Yeah, yes,
Whatever
sir.
the image formed
Real
in the
image
plane
will be the
mirror,
same.
whatever the
Sir?
image formed on the plane mirror also have the same size, right? Yes sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah. So next one. Suppose you are standing at some distance from the plane mirror. We can see that image formed in the plane mirror is also standing at some distance from the mirror, right? Did you observe this one? Hello?
Sir, can you repeat?
Suppose you have placed the image in front of the plane mirror at some distance from the mirror. Okay, at least from 1 meter from the mirror.
Yeah, yes, sir.
But whatever the image formed inside the plane mirror also looks like it is 1 meter from the mirror, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
distance between the image formed in the mirror is the same as the object. That's
Yeah.
one of the properties.
Understand that point?
Yes, sir. All it's like its height and its distance from like how it looks like the distance is all is same.
Okay. What is the second point tells about now? The size of the image will not change. The distance of the image from the mirror to the object also will not change at all in the plane mirror formation images. That is only second point. Clear? Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Third one. Same thing again. Whatever the image formed with the plane mirror is of same size or the original size. The fourth one is, you know about the lateral or the side inversion, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. The lateral inversion, which means that the sides of our left and right sides will be interchanged. Like if we raise our left hand in front of the mirror, it will show us we are raising the right hand. Vice versa, if we raise the right hand, it will show the left hand.
Okay. Suppose if you raised the hand of right hand, suppose you have given the right, you have raised the right hand in the mirror. It looks like you have raised the left hand, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, from his perspective, like from that side it will be left.
Good. So if you are seeing the left side of our body, it will appear as the right side in the image. If you take the right side of our body, it will appear as the left side in the mirror. That is only the side inversion. So whatever the image formed on the plane mirror will have the side inversion. That means left will appear as the right, right will appear as the left. That is the third point. And the last point is erect image. Whatever the image formed by the plane mirror is a erect. What is the meaning of erect?
Sir, stand
Upright, straight and up.
Straight and the upright. That means, suppose if you see the image top, the same top will be there on the top side of the image also. If you have the image right, or if you are standing in front of the mirror, our head will be on the top of the image only, right? In the image also, and our legs will be at the bottom only, right? So whatever the image formed will be the erect only. Okay. Whatever the image formed here also, it will be completely erect only. Same top will be the top portion in the top of the object will be top portion in the image. Bottom of the object will be the bottom portion in the image. So what are the 4 points? First one, whatever the image formed by the plane mirror is a virtual in nature. Second one, the size of the object and the size of the image will be similar. There is no change at all. It will not increase the size or it will not decrease the size. Third one, the distance will be same between the mirror and the object to the mirror and the image. Understand? The distance will be similar from mirror to the object to the mirror to the image. That is the third one. Fourth one, it will have the original size and it will is in the erect position only. It will have the erect shape. That means top will be the top of the object and the top of the image, and bottom will be the bottom of the object and bottom of the image. That is only the characteristics of the plane mirror. And side inversion also we know. Left side will see as the right side will see as the left side in the plane mirror. That's what when you see the ambulance, the word ambulance on the ambulance is written in the reverse order. Why?
Yeah, because when we see it in our side mirror, it will appear as normal ambulance.
When you see it in the side mirror of the vehicles, it will appear in the reverse way. So it will appear as an ambulance in the correct way. So that we will give the side for the emergency vehicles and without any blockage. Good. So till now we discussed about the plane mirrors only. Right now we are going for the spherical mirrors. Spherical mirror means what? Which will have some curved shape. It is called as
Yeah, there are two types, concave and convex.
The other one is the concave mirror. The next one is the convex mirror. Okay. So in the mirrors and the lens, both are different topics. Mirrors are very important. Suppose if you remember the properties of these two, concave and the convex, it's very easy to remember the properties of lens. Okay. Okay. So what is a concave mirror?
Sir, concave mirror, it will like just be, it will face towards like us. Convex mirror will be like pushed back, sir. Convex mirror, it will be like our eye. We'll draw like this, no? Like a curve, an ulta C, we can say.
Good. Suppose if you have taken the tablespoon, if you're watching inside the tablespoon, that curved shape, that is a concave shape. If you take the tablespoon, turn around and watching outside, that is a convex shape. Do you know the difference between these two?
Yes.
If this is the tablespoon like this, inside curved shape, that C shape inside one is the, or inward reflection is the concave and outward reflection is the convex. Okay. Now, important properties about this concave and convex is the where you use this one. Okay.
Sir, sometimes we can see some mirrors on the road, right? That's actually concave. Yes, sir, concave mirrors we see on the road sometimes on the pole.
Yeah. So this is a concave mirror. You can take this as a concave mirror. These are the lines are there, right? These are the beam of light particles. So whenever the beam of light particles are reflecting on the concave surface, what is happening? All the light particles are converging to one point, right? That is
Yes.
F. Can you understand? Whenever the beam of light particles falls on the concave surface of the mirror, all these light particles are converging to one point. That point is called as in focus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay, all these are converging or diverging?
Sir, converging.
Converging. Converging means what? Concave mirror also called as a converging mirror. Concave mirror also called as a converging
mirror.
Okay. Now, concave mirror will form two important points. One, when the object is placed far away from the concave mirror. Second condition is when the object is placed near to the concave mirror. Okay, so when the object is placed away from the concave mirror, what are the important points? What is the important points formed by the image? The first one is the real image.
The real image, sir, and
Real
also
image
it will be inverted, laterally
no,
inverted.
real image means it will appear on the screen. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm talking about inversion, lateral inversion, and side inversion.
The next one is the inverted. Inverted means what? Whatever the image formed, that is the inverted shape. That means top and bottom, right? The top of the object looks like a bottom of the image. Bottom of the object looks like a top of the image. That is an inverted image. Okay, what is the third one? Much smaller than the object. So according to the original shape, it will be smaller in shape. Okay. Okay. So
Already done, sir. Enough of teaching this.
So whatever the image properties formed whenever the object is placed at the far away from the concave mirror, these are the three important points: real, inverted, much smaller than the object. These 3 points. But when you place the object close to the concave mirror, it will have the entirely different properties. What are those different properties? Can you read this paragraph?
Sir, it will be much bigger actually. Concave mirror, the size of the object will be much bigger.
So whatever the image formed is a virtual one. When you place the object
Sir,
close
it
to the
will be
concave
virtual
mirror,
and also magnified.
it's a virtual in nature. It is erect in nature. Erect means it will be the same shape again.
Sir, same.
The top of
Straightforward.
the
I mean,
image will be
upright.
the top of the object itself, and this image will be somewhat larger than the object, than the original shape. So when you place the concave mirror at some distance, if you place the object far away from the concave mirror, what are the 3 points?
Sir, real inverted and smaller than the object.
Real inverted much smaller than the objects. Okay. So real inverted and much smaller than the object. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So whenever the object is placed away from the concave mirror, it will have the real inverted much smaller than the object. When you place the object close to the concave mirror, it will have the different properties. What is it? Virtual, erect, image is larger than the object. Okay, these are the 3 points. Virtual, erect, and the image is larger than the object. Okay. So that is all about the concave mirror. Clear? Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Next is the what is the use of concave mirrors? What are the 3 uses of concave?
So to see the large image of teeth of a patient, concave mirrors are used by the dentist. In torches, headlights of vehicles and searchlights to get a strong, straight beam of light, etc. Concave mirrors are used as reflectors. To see a large image of the face, then concave mirrors are used as shaving mirrors.
So first one is the dentist. Concave mirrors are used by the dentist to see the teeth somewhat enlarged shape, right? Bigger in size.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Sir, you are in mute.
Yeah, sir.
I think sir is in the call. Sir, I cannot hear your voice. Hello.
Hello.
Sir is having a problem, I guess.
Sir,
Net issue.
Yeah, I think.
Okay.
no, sir.
Sorry, guys. Hello.
Sir, we cannot hear your voice.
Now can you hear me?
Very low.
Yes, sir. Now we can hear you.
Yeah.
But breaking. Sir, it's breaking.
Okay, use of concave mirror. This first one is that it is used by the dentist. Okay. Next one is that it is used in the headlights of the vehicles and the searchlight to get the strong straight beam of lights. That is the second one. Third one is what? Which is used in the shaving mirrors. So you can see the face somewhat enlarged. Okay. Convex mirror. So next one is a convex mirror. So this is a convex shape. That we have the reflecting outward is the reflecting surface. So whenever the beam of lights are, whenever the beam of particles are falling on this convex shape, all these light particles are diverged in the different directions. So these are called as a diverging mirror. What is the shape name? Diverging mirror. Okay. So image formed by the convex mirror. It's only one thing is common. This, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We are there,
sir, we
sir.
can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I
sir.
think today class is not that much effective. Sorry for that. Can you understand what I'm saying today? It's completely breaking.
Sir, we can hear you.
But
Why
it's
I cannot
breaking.
hear your
But
voice
it's breaking.
properly? That's what I'm repeating again and
Glasses
again.
and metal is breaking your.
Okay, because I was in this home environment, right? So it's not completely net. Okay, so if you take the convex mirror now, they don't have the separate, like when your object is placed at the far, when the object is closer at the near, there is no separate properties like that. Wherever you place the object, it will have the same properties. What are those three properties? The first one is a virtual image, the next one is a erect image, okay, and the last one is the object always appears smaller than the, sorry, image always appears smaller than the object. So these are the 3 points. Always, hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can
Okay.
hear you, sir.
So whatever the image formed by the convex mirror, always virtual in shape, virtual, always erect, and the third one is smaller than the object. These are the 3 important points image formed by the convex mirror. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then use of convex mirror. So where we'll use this convex mirror? So first one is to watch the rear view of the vehicles. So to see the backside traffic of the vehicles in the side mirrors, we'll use the convex mirror. Okay, such as the cars, the scooter, buses, and etc. The next one, in the security shops, we'll use this convex mirror. So whichever the mirror we'll use in the small size, but we want to watch the larger distance and the broader area, we'll use there the convex mirror. Okay, so inside the convex mirror, we can see the broader area backside.
Yes, sir, because the images are formed small.
Yeah. So image formed by the lens. What is the meaning of mirror? What is the difference between the mirror and the lens?
Sir, mirror is
Sir, mirror is something that reflects. Lens is something which we use to like see, which helps us to see objects. Like the lens, I have spectacles, and in that the lens are different from the mirrors. And their lens is actually a transparent glass, and it sometimes there are different types of lens also, convex and concave. We can see like a part is a bit inner and outer. It will mostly be for adults, and in those, what?
Okay, I'll tell you, Raghu, good. Whatever you said is correct.
What can I say, lens?
In the mirrors, we have only one reflecting surface. But when you come to the lens now, you have the 2 reflecting surfaces will be there. There is only the small difference between the mirror and the lens. Okay, lens means you have the 2 spherical surfaces will be there. From the 2 sides, you have the reflecting surfaces will be there. In the case of mirrors, we have only one reflecting surface is there. So again, here we have the 2 types. One is a convex lens, the other one is a concave lens. Just to remember this one, the direct one. Concave mirrors is exactly similar properties with the convex lens. Do you understand my point? Hello?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I mean, yes, sir.
Concave mirrors exactly will be similar to the convex lens properties. That means concave mirrors having the 2 different properties, right? When the object is placed at the far, when the object is placed at the near. Yes or no? The same properties will be there with the convex lens. So now tell me the points. If you take the object near to the convex lens, what are the properties of the image? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then what are the properties of the convex lens when you place the object near to the convex lens?
Breaking a little bit.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir, we can hear you.
I'm asking you the question. What are the properties of an image formed by the object closer to the convex lens?
So your voice is breaking.
Yes, can't hear anything.
I said that concave mirror will be exactly similar to the convex lens.
Yes, sir.
So when you place the object near to the convex lens, the image formed will be the virtual, erect, and the bigger in size than the original object.
Sir, when we keep it close. Sir,
When
again,
we keep it close, yeah. Okay.
held away,
Same.
it is real. Sir, like the image is real
Sorry.
or magnified.
Sorry, I can't understand.
Sir, I'm telling that when we keep it far away, sir, the image is real. Sir, it can be smaller or even magnified. Sir, it depends on the position.
Yeah, it will be smaller only.
Sir, it can also be magnified depending on the position for convex lens.
Okay, image whatever, when you place the object far away from the convex lens, it will be smaller in size only. That is the main property. Okay. So whenever the object is placed far away from the convex lens, now it will be smaller in size, it will be real, and it will be inverted. These are the three important points. So convex lens is a converging lens again. Concave mirror is a converging mirror, right? Same way, convex lens is also converging lens. Okay, you can see the convex and concave lens here. Convex is this. In the between we have the thicker, and the ends we have the thinner. But in the concave shape, in middle we have the thinner, in the end we have the thicker in size. Okay. So these are the two, convex lens and the concave lens. So concave lens are also called as a diverging lens, exactly similar, having the properties with respect to.
Sir, we cannot hear you, sir, again.
Sir, we can hear you, sir.
Hello.
Sorry guys today.
Sir, I hear you clearly, sir.
Yes, sir, I can.
Sir, your voice is
Black
stuck.
hole.
Sir, not stuck. It is breaking.
Okay. So I'll finish up the topic here itself by concave lens. If you didn't understand the topic, really, I'm sorry. I'll take again some other the complete topic. I'll explain you once again. Okay. It's continuously network issues there. I don't know what happened. Okay. Don't worry about it. If you don't understand, I will explain you once again. I'm ready for that. So concave is exactly similar to the diverging lens, which have the exactly similar properties with the convex mirror. Concave lens is equal to convex mirror. Same way. Again, the image formed will be the virtual. Next, erect, and the smaller virtual, erect, and the smaller in size than the object. Same as the convex properties. These are the three properties. Okay. So next one is the dispersion of light. You know dispersion of light, right?
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
you pass the white light onto the spectrum. Okay. Prism. What will happen? It will disperse it into the 7 different colors, with GR colors.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the WebGR?
Sir, it is the rainbow colors, sir, like violet, indigo, blue,
Green, yellow, orange, and red.
yeah. And all of these colors are a mixture of white. And there are two types of colors actually. And these colors are formed of white light. There are the two types of colors. Colors are primary colors and secondary colors. Primary colors are red, blue, and green, and these three colors cannot be obtained by mixing any three of the secondary colors, which are yellow, cyan, and magenta. But all the three secondary colors can be obtained by mixing any two of the three primary colors. That's why they are called primary and secondary colors. And in the example of prism, if we switch off the light and if we like keep sunlight or something, then what happens is that the prism will reflect the light into all the Vibgyor colors, the rainbow colors will reflect. So this proves that white light is a mixture of all the colors which are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Sir?
Okay, good. So when you allow the white light to the prism light, it will split up into the Vibgyor colors. Yeah, Raghav explained correct. That's good. So this is only the dispersion of the light. Okay. So we'll end the session here itself today. It's completely breaking only. It's not clear for us also.
Yeah, sir.